In October last year, I bought these, the Realme Buds wireless neckband. These are really good in sound, battery and design, but I found a huge problem with these earphones. They disconnect from my laptop every 5 minutes. After trying many fixes online, I had enough. So I bought these. These are the Bolt Audio Flex Bluetooth headphones, and this is my review. Firstly, these headphones cost 1400 rupees on Amazon or Flipkart, and for that price, these offer great value. Let's start with the design. It looks and feels really good. Even though they are really low cost headphones, there is a lot of metal in the design of the headphones. The arch, the joint to the speakers, and even the plates on the side. It's all metal. It gives the headphones a really good premium look. The cups are faux leather, not actual leather, but they still feel durable and comfortable, and the cushions are also very soft and compress a lot. But they are a little tight on my head, so I feel uncomfortable and my ears hurt a little when I keep using them for more than 2 hours. But the construction is really solid. I accidentally stepped on these headphones 3 times and they're still not broken. And the buttons feel good when you click them, but the wires hang outside like this. If you're not careful enough, they might get cut. On the side, there are 3 buttons, an on-off button and 2 other buttons to change the volume and songs. And you can also pick up calls by pressing this button once. There is a headphone jack on the same side on the bottom, a built-in mic and a micro USB pin to charge the headphones. In the box, you get a micro USB cable and an aux cable. So you don't have to use these headphones with Bluetooth all the time. If the battery runs out, you can connect to your laptop or your phone with this cable and continue using them, if your phone still has a headphone jack, that is. And these headphones are light and they can be folded like this to easily carry around in your bag. But you can see, because of the design, when you fold these headphones, these metal spokes are folded out and that might be a problem. When you're buying a pair of cheap headphones, the thing that you will be most worried about is about the sound quality. But the sound quality from these headphones is really good. The mid-tones, like the instruments, are clear. There is no distortion even at high volumes, and the vocals are really clear as well. And it has good enough bass. It's not really thumping bass, but good enough to enjoy all kinds of music. You can even feel some amount of vibration because of the bass, and that might enhance your experience a little bit more. But I should tell you, these headphones get really loud. I regularly use these earphones at 50 to 70% volume, and any more than that, the sound leaks outside. Coming to the battery, on Amazon it says these headphones have a 10-hour battery life, but I only get about 5 to 6 hours of battery. That's not bad though. You can easily manage it with that amount of battery for 2-3 days, and that's what I do. I generally charge these headphones every 2 or 3 days depending on how long I use them at a time. But the charging speed is a little slow. It takes about 2 hours to charge these. So it's not the best battery, but it's alright. I have been using these for a little over 2 months and I did notice some Bluetooth connection issues. Sometimes when I connect them to my phone or my laptop, the audio stutters, but I can fix it by disconnecting and connecting it again to the device. It only happens rarely, but it does happen. And when connected to my laptop, I can't seem to use the mic in the headphones in video calls, and that can be a deal breaker to many people, especially because most students and even office workers are working from home these days, and they definitely need a good pair of headphones with a working mic to work from home or attend classes online. There's a technical reason as to why the mic in these headphones don't work with video calls, but I'm not going to go into that in this video. But if you're playing a game while using these headphones, you can talk to your friends in the game with these. Speaking about gaming, there is a little bit of lag when you're playing games, but you have to really look for it to notice it. And the mic quality is alright. This is the mic quality.
This is a voice recording recorded on the inbuilt mic.
It's nothing special, it gets the job done. So these headphones are definitely worth buying for their good sound quality, and these are really good looking for the price and even well built. If design and audio quality are your priorities, these headphones are a good option for you. But if you want better battery life or a better mic, then go for the Boat Rockers 400, or if you're willing to spend up to 2000 there are many other good options, including the new Infinity 510 that has an insane amount of battery. So that's it for this video. Do you think these headphones are good? And if not, what other options do you consider instead of these? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.